What's up, guys? How's everybody out there doing in YouTube land? Goofy Bastard here. And in one of my latest videos, I talked about ATGATT, all the gear, all the time. So I'm going to roll that intro, and I want to talk about something new. So, in that video, I discussed that I really am not a all the gear, all the time kind of guy. I'm a some of the gear, all the time kind of guy. But since I recorded that video, I took a ride down to Cycle Gear in New Jersey, which is technically the closest one to me. And I picked up this riding flannel. Now, it has some protection in it. It's not the most protected thing you can get, but it has CE level 2. If you listen to some of the reviews on YouTube, other people say it's got CE level 1 in the shoulders and the elbows. It's got a back pad in it, but it's not rated. So it does offer some kind of protection. It was not a bad price, $119 before tax. You know, so it's got snap front with a zipper underneath. It's got a double snap in the arm, around the cuff and in the arm and the forearm. It has belt tie downs in the back to keep it from going up. It has Kevlar Reinforcement in the elbows and shoulders. You can change out the back pad for armor, and I think that's what I'm going to wind up doing eventually. It's got a mesh liner inside, so it supposedly keeps it cool. We'll find out about that because I'm out riding today. It's going to be mid-80s, so we'll see how it goes. Let's see, what else is that? Oh, it has one front pocket with a snap. It has snap down collar, so these things ain't flapping in your face. So other than that, I'm going to test it out. I'm going to try it. I'll give you a better review later. One thing I will say is, I said in my video before that there was a hard time finding stuff for fat guys. Well, this is pretty much so true to fit. I normally wear a 2XL, and when I was in Cycle Gear, come on. When I was in Cycle Gear, I tried on a 4X jacket, and it was tight. So this one right here is a 2X and fits pretty good. So I'll give a more in-depth review of it as I wear it more. Now, just because I'm wearing this now doesn't mean I'm going to be wearing it all the time. So, alright guys, so until next time, stay safe and love one another.